Hi everyone, this is a development log of our OpenLand. So right now I'm working with the multi-biome support and the modular OpenLand system. Right, so I'm going to discuss a couple of things. And I'm going to share what I'm trying to do right now, and then we can discuss more how we can go, how we can move on. Right now we have the multi-biome support very initially, but it is fully featured. So now we have here, this is our ground area. Normally we have 3 layer layer painting, and we also have a snow somewhere here. I don't know, somewhere here. All right, and then here we have the beach section. Now I'm gonna have a beach sand effect here, and then we have it automatically have the mountain snow mountain like texture. Of course you can change these things, and then here's how we can paint that. This is a beach layer, and then it will automatically do the texture transition based on the height, and as usual. So likewise we can add as many as auto layers. So that's what a biome is. I think it's biome is basically like an auto material. Yeah, that's it. So I like to keep in the technical way. Yeah, it's an auto material. So basically this is it, and yeah, it's working fine. I don't know what's happening. All right. This is completely weird. Anyway, we can talk about this later on. Right, so then I'm going to talk about how I set up the material. So then that's the interesting part, and that's where we need to discuss. All right, here this is the master material. It's quite simple. So I'm going to start with the biome B. So I think before we do that, let me show you the material instance. Here we have a new section called AutoBlend, AutoBlend A and B. So these all things can be changed, the names. A is the default one. You have the slope bias. These are the how you can blend things. We have edge noise tiling. You can add a noise to a edge, and yeah, it's pretty nice. And then we have Auto B. This is what we use for the beach. All right, and you can customize those things. And of course we have distance blend, and then we can change textures as usual. All the displacements and all the stuffs are there, nothing changed. And if you think about the master material, this is how it looks like. Here this is how we create a new auto layer biome, whatever. Here we have the auto blend B, and then we connect the ground, mid and slope, and it will return the material, and we can simply connect that into the landscape layer blend like beach over here. And this is what I try to do for the normal by default auto layer. Here I use a smart mask to add snow. So that's the only change that I did. So that's why it looks complicated, but it's not. It's pretty simple. And now we have a set of masks, so we can simply connect these things into the grass output node. And yeah, this is it. You can have automatic grass spawning based on these masks. And by using these masks, you can do pretty interesting things. So now we have here, this is for the like mobile. So we only have auto layer there. So this is here, sorry. And we have some overrides, and this is RVT. That's it. So my point over here, like in the previous version, we had like maybe 10, 12 blends, custom one, alpha, and so on. But right now I don't want to do that. So because not every layer we are going to use, and we are going to change this anyway, like we need to add our own material. So I want to give you like bare minimum, just one biome, and then you can create these things on your own, and then you can connect these lines as you want, because it's quite easy to do that. So then we can have as many as things we want over here. So that's my point over. So now with the future version of OpenLand, so we will ship a template of the master material. Then the other master material, the one you actually use on your project, that's you have to create manually. Right. So then that's the interesting part. So I have found out like a new API, not a new one, it's API in the Unreal Engine editor widget API. So basically you can create can copy files in the content browser, and I have seen some APIs to like change the content of the material itself. So then we can try to do that, and then we can do pretty interesting now, because we can automate some of these things. For example, here when we're creating a biome, so this auto blend B, and you can see it's not the same function, like A and B. This is two different functions. The content is the same, but the we have to create two copies. The reason is here we have two set of inputs like parameters, so then we need to like duplicate then the parameters. That's the only change we have to do. So then if we can automate these kind of tasks using that like widget, and we can simplify a lot of things. So that's what I'm trying to spend a week trying to do that. So I can ship a biome right now, but I think it's quite interesting to like explore that for a bit and try to do something interesting. All right, see you soon. All right, with that, so this is it. And if I think you have questions and you need to discuss more, and I really want the feedback, so you can come to comment on YouTube right over here, or you can come on to our Discord and chat with me. Let's see what we can do. All right, bye. See you soon with something interesting.